Hello class and welcome again to CA8 Test Prep CA8 Part 1 question number 7. It says a table below is shown. Determine the coordinate pairs and graph it on the graph below. As you know, everything is just better with Mr. Chicken. So Mr. Chicken will be helping us out today. Hello Mr. Chicken, if you could come over here. Mr. Chicken is somehow see-through as well. We won't worry about that too much. Now, Mr. Chicken has the ability to shrink in size. So Mr. Chicken is going to shrink in size and come over here to the coordinate pairs grid. And what we're going to do is we're going to try and turn each of these X and Y coordinates into coordinate pairs. So let me just go ahead and erase that and we'll get started. So the first one is X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 8. So my coordinate pair that matches that point is going to be 0, 8. And so now I've written down my coordinate pair 0, 8, which is right here. All right, so moving on, the next one is 2, 7. We do the X value first, then the Y value. So 2, 7. And I'm going to go ahead and put that one there as well. And so now I have 2, 7 as well. So I have 2 coordinate pairs at this point. Now actually I could definitely do a whole bunch more, and I am going to do a whole bunch more very quickly because you get the pattern. Basically what we're doing is we're taking this X value, that becomes X coordinate, and we're taking the Y value, and that's going to be 3, 6, 6, 4, 8, 3, 9, 2, 10, 1. Basically, these are going to be the different coordinate pairs. So I'm just going to go ahead and write those out real quick. And now we have all of our coordinate points. How do you feel about that, Mr. Chicken? He likes that. Awesome. Mr. Chicken's so happy that we got all the coordinate pairs. Now, the next step is to graph it on the graph below. So let's go ahead and do that now. What I'm going to start with is the first point, which is 0, 8. That means my X coordinate is 0 and my Y coordinate is 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start at the origin, which once again is here, and I'm going to go 0 to the right. Well, 0 to the right would be none at all. So basically, I'm not going to move at all from there. So basically, I'm going to just go up from here, and I'm going to go up 8 points. So 8 points up is going to give me this point here. Now you don't have to draw that line. I was just doing that for your benefit so you could see kind of what it was. But there's the point right there, 8. All right, so that is 0, 8. The next one I'm going to do is 2, 7. So I'm going to go over 2, and then I'm going to go up to 7, which puts my point right here at 2, 7. Then the next point is 3, 6. So I go over 3 and up 6. Then the next one, 6, 4. I go over 6 and up 4. The next one is 8, 3. I go over 8 and up 3. Okay. And then finally 9, over 9, up 2. And then over 10, up 1. Now this doesn't make a perfectly straight line, but it does give you an idea that there is kind of a line that maybe correlates with that fairly well. But they're not asking you to draw an actual line. They just want you to graph the points on the graph. And you should see that generally speaking, there's this kind of downward trend. And this is something that you do a lot if you ever are going to get into statistics or anything like that. Anyway, I hope you had a great time. Mr. Chicken has had a great time with you as well. Oh, well, not like that. Mr. Chicken has had a great time with you as well. I know he was telling me that he's so happy. In fact, he's so happy that he grows inside when he's happy. But when he gets angry, he shrinks in size. So anyway, hope you're having a great day. And I will talk with you in the next problem.